G'day! How you doing? Yeah, no, pretty good, mate. Yep. Just stuffing around with this bloody metal bandsaw guide. Do you remember me telling you about how I hate that friggin' metal bandsaw? Well, if not, click up there because I'll put an unlisted link and only you can see it. So give that a poke. Only goes for a very short time. Just give you a summary of what's going on. Okay, so I've been stuffing around with this anyway, and what I reckon I need to do is just adjust the guides and everything in it some more. I've aligned the wheels up and all that kind of stuff. I've done as much as I can, so might pull out a little bit here, like this. So I scabbed up some washers, and I'm going to stick these up into these guides. These ones need pushing out a little bit more. Holy crap. Holy dooly. Oh, I don't know if I can get these bastards off. Wow. Okay. I might have to get out the bloody... Oh, Jesus. I might have to get out the rattle gun. That's not good. Okay. Well, this is fun. We're starting off really well here. Let's see if I can get some kind of a bar. Okay, that might do. Let's just chuck that in there like that and see if that'll hold it down enough. Give it a crank. It really doesn't like me today. I don't know who the hell put these on, but... Oh, there we go. I think we got that one. There's not much bloody room in here. So, sorry about my hands being in the way. Oh, that's got it. Or did it? No, it's just turning the bloody inside of it. There's another one there. Okay. Alright. Give me a second. I'll be back. I just got another couple of spanners. See if I can jam these in here. Get a hold, because there's another nut there. Well, it's not really a nut. It's the end of the bolt that holds it on, but it's just spinning inside here. So, and if these weren't going to fit, I've got other little really thin plate ones, but I just tried them out and they don't fit. So I'd have to put this on the grinder and grind it down so it's thinner, so it will actually fit. So anyway, let's put that on there like that. See if I can actually get this damn thing off. Ah, there we go. Cool, that's one. Let's try this one. On you go. Holy... Ow! Bloody got me! Yep. Prick. Oh, fuck that up. Alright. This really sucks. That's such a pain in the ass. Come on. Who the... Oh, fucking got it. Who the fuck put those on there? Holy shit. So much for not swearing on my YouTube channel. Yeah, right. Oh, fucking hell. That was ridiculous. Whichever wanker put them on the factory was tweet. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Always friggin' hurting myself. Okay. Let's take those out. The bearings are still good. So they should be. It's not very old. Hasn't had much use. That's for bloody sure. Okay. I want to prop this out. And they don't fit. That'll be right. They do though, but they are so thin. What about if I use the splits? Yeah, okay, so if I go one of those and then a split like that, how many have I got? Another 2 there. Okay, so let's put that back in there. And that should now bring it out far enough that I want, need, whatever. Put that one on there. My dogs, as if you couldn't tell. So that's so funny. In case you can't tell what's going on, oh, here they go. They're going to start singing now. All together. That's it. There we go. In time, boys. In time. Mary had a little lamb. Oh, fuck me. And quit. Well done. In case you can't tell, right, see, I live by a highway, so blokes go to work with their dogs in the back of the ute, like tradies, and so the dogs are always like, I'm in the back of the ute, I'm in the back of the ute, I'm going to work, I'm going to work, like this, and then my dogs are like, fuck you, get fucked, you can't. We're having choir practice. So yeah, that's what's going on there. Oh dear. Okay, let's try this. Now I'm not going to do these up super stupid tight like the factory did. I'm going to make sure these are not going to be too far out. I might have to take them back off again. We shall see. So let's put that on there, and another split washer, because what's happening is, well, I've done some adjusting with it, and now the blade is actually sticking a little bit too far out of the top. And I've got another bandsaw behind me here. That's my other bandsaw. And what's happening is, with this other one, the blades is sticking out too far, and the whole thing is offset so badly it's actually twisting it, and it's kinking the crap out of the blades. So that's what's happening with that one. Not that one behind me, the other one I'm working on, which I sent you the link to up there. That tiny little bit right there. Now, let's try this again. That was clever. Now I just, oh no, it's on there. Ugh. You're right, that was clever. Let's just put these ones on. Not much friggin' room in here. I could probably use a socket, would be better. Yep. Tiny bit more. There you go, they're pretty even. It's going to give me my gap in there. The other thing I was thinking about was propping that up so it didn't have so much bloody play in it this way. I happen to think that's rather annoying. If I put a washer in that side and a washer in that side, that will reduce a hell of a lot of play. So now I've got to get this pin out, and there doesn't appear to be anything holding it in there besides friction. I have this, that should probably do, and have I got a hammer nearby? Well, I have a nylon hammer, but I don't particularly want to use a nylon hammer. Give me a second, I shall be right back. Aha! Magical. Now, let's put that underneath there like that, so it's got room to come out. What's moving? Is it coming out the right way? I don't know if there is a wrong way or a right way. Not sure. Well, let's keep going, shall we? Something a bit shorter than this might be good though. This is a little ridiculous. Go. Good stuff. Should have come out the other way. I'm going to have to build it back through. There you go. That was easier. So it's got a knurl type bit on there, and that would not have liked to have gone through for sure. How's the bearing on this one? Yeah, bearing's not too bad. Okay, let's put that back in a little bit. This might be fun. Not a huge amount of room in here. Oh, is they even going to fit? Nope. No, they're not even going to fit on there. Okay. Oh, break out the supplies. This was left over from my grandfather's garage. Yeah, he's now passed away, unfortunately. My grandpa was a legend. He used to make, well, they're a bit big, like round, because they're not touching that center. That center is what you want. If it's not touching that center, then it's just going to grind on the outside, which is not real good. I used to make model steam engines and stuff from scratch, and I do that occasionally too, which you'll actually see me make some in the future, most probably, unless I get the shits that nobody actually watches this and I'm sitting here talking to myself, and I don't bother making any more videos. In that case, you won't see it. Sorry about that. So, hit subscribe and click the like button and comment below. Down there. Comment down there. here? Well, we've got some... I'm trying to figure out a combination that'll work here. Spring washers. They're not usually very good to use on stuff like that. But I don't know if I can fit all, if I can fit 4 of the bastards. So two normal and 2 spring, but I don't think so. I don't think there's going to be there's nowhere near enough room in there for that. So I either need to scab up 2 more washers around here, or I'm going to have to go to the hardware store, and I do not want to be doing that. I definitely do not. Yeah, I don't like my chances of drilling those out either. Bugger that, they're friggin' spring steel. That would not be fun. Well, this is a pain in the arse. I might have to not do that bit. I don't know, give me a sec. I'll be back again. Alright, well, with a bit of luck, these might fit. Let's see. Oh yeah, just. Yep, cool. I think that'll work. Let's put that over the axle like that. We've not got much room here. That over like such. Slip that one over there like that. Holy dooly. Look at that, boys and girls. Now, is it going to bind it though? That's the... Oh, seems alright so far. Tappy, 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 tappy. Tappy, tappy, tappy. There. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is just... That is like a bought one, isn't it? Like, and not a cheap ass fucking one like this. Like a proper bought one. Beautiful. Hey, look. Good stuff. Alright, let's put these away and go over to the saw and see if we can make this hideous piece of crap slightly bearably usable. And I did say slightly. Let's take this. I don't think I need the rest of that, but I'll take those over to the lathe so I know where they are. Alright, come on, don't just fucking sit there. Let's go. Okay, welcome to the beast of burden. Right, what do I do with these parts? Come over a bit closer. Okay, now this is our guide. A bolt that goes down in here. It's very, very elementary. We'll try and do this up a little bit. Hopefully without huffing and puffing too much. Okay. Now, about that angle there, but we're not going to know exactly until we start putting the blade on. Let's loosen up our top here to drop the wheel. You'll notice that this is going down, that holds the wheel on the inside there. I'm going to try and bring this blade out the front a little bit more. By tightening these down. Oh, that way. Okay, it's about as far in as she's going to go. So here we go. See if it goes twang and flies off like it normally does. Okay, that's a little better. At least it's not flying off like it normally bloody does. Okay. Let's see how we go. Want to get fussy. Nope. She just went flying off again. Wow, that is a bit better. That is a hell of a lot better. Thank Frog for that. Let's try a thin sliver off the other end. Is that lined up? Just seeing how in line it is. See if I can grab that with my fingers, shall I? I'm pretty sure it won't be hot or anything. No, that wouldn't be hot. Actually, it's not too bad. Look at that. Okay, so there you go. I'm a lot happier. And it only took a couple hours. A couple hours in real life. like 10 minutes on YouTube. So it's alright. Time to go upstairs for some lunch. Thanks for coming over. We'll see you next time in Jim's workshop. So we'll see you around like a wrist, old trendsetters. And don't forget, if you don't like bloody Vegemite, you're a communist. Ciao. Play the music.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Take a look.
Shake it up.